So just a little warning when drawing Caballier perspective. No problem with this axis or this other one. You draw 1, 2, 3 squares, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, like this. But when you are drawing in this other axis, you have to apply a 2/3 reduction. It's quite easy. Let's do it with an example. You have here 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So just count on 2 squares in diagonal. Okay? So 4 is turned into 2 squares, 2 diagonal. So approximately 2 diagonals here means that reduction of 2/3. Alright? So, in short, no problem here or here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. But here, divide by 2. That's all. It's simple. Let's do it. Good luck.